Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to go through a quick review of how to subtract integers, and we're going to be working with both positive and negative integers. Now when it comes to these types of problems, there are different ways to think through these. We'll go through one way for each of our examples. Let's jump into number one, where we have 7 minus 7. I'm making this video just to give you a bit of a refresher on how to subtract integers. No matter if you're in high school, in college, continuing your education as an adult, or you have just learned this recently, I'm sure this video can help you out no matter what situation you're in right now. So, for the first one, we have 7 minus 7. So, with subtracting integers, we change the the sign of the number we're subtracting. So we see that this 7 is negative. We have a negative 7. So what we do is we have to add the opposite. So we have to make this 7 a positive number and then add it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So we get 7 plus the opposite of negative 7 is positive 7. This will equal our final answer of 14. Now, it may seem like the answer doesn't make any sense because we came with a um, positive number, but I like to think it as money. Like, I like to think of this as the minus 7 as a debt or an expense we have to pay. So, we add the expense or the debt to our money we already have. So we get a final answer of 14. Basically, if you have a problem like this where you have a minus sign and then in parentheses another minus sign, we just do 7 plus 7, for example, in this case. So we get a final answer of 14. So let's go over to our second example where we have minus 10 minus 30. This one is a bit different from this one because we don't have the parentheses like this. So this one, I find it a lot easier. So we have minus 10 minus 30. If you can read right here, it says add the opposite. So we are gonna add the opposite of positive 30 to our minus 10. So we're adding minus 30 to our minus 10. This means we are decreasing the number, decreasing in value because we are adding a negative number to our already negative number. So we get a final answer of minus 40. This one makes pretty good sense because we see two minuses here and we are subtracting. If we were multiplying, if you multiply a minus a negative number, we will get a positive number. But in case of subtracting problems, you just keep the negative number as it is because we aren't multiplying or dividing the number. So this was basically the video, guys, on how to subtract integers. This was a very short video, but it was just meant as a refresher of how to subtract integers. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and understand it now, or just got a little good refresher. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any, and I will see you guys in the next one.